So let's see how you can create such bouncy titles on DaVinci Resolve. It's easier than you think.
So it's really easy. For that, what you have to do is come to Effects and bring in a text plus node to your timeline. Then let's come to Fusion. Then under Fusion, you can set in your title. I'm going to type something like bouncy title and change the font to my favorite Inter font and black. You can choose any font, up to you. And once that is done, just right click on this and select follower. As soon as you click follower, a new tab will open called modifiers. Let's come to modifiers. Then under timing, set a delay 1.8. Now let's do a keyframing. So come to transform and let's come to the first frame and hit a keyframe on the offset Y. So as soon as I hit that one, another tab will open called path. You don't have to do anything here. Come back to follower. Now let's come to 9 frames, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and hit a keyframe here again. And in the first keyframe under Y, type in minus 0.025. Then let's come to 4th frame, 1, 2, 3, 4 and put a value 0.03. So you will have something that looks like this. Come to spline, select all, Control A and press S on your keyboard to smoothen it out. Now let's do an opacity keyframe. So you come to shading and in the first frame, hit a keyframe on opacity and reduce it all the way to 0. Then come to frame 15. So make sure it's 15 and then increase the opacity all the way to 1. So you will have something that looks like this. Now after this, you can spice things up. For that, shift spacebar, add in a drop shadow. So you'll have a nice shadow behind it. Then what you can do is come to template again. Under settings, you can enable motion blur. You can increase the quality. I'm going to leave something like 4. So once I hit play, you will have something like this. Now you don't have to do this each time. You have this template ready. You can come to media pool and under power bins, I have a folder called text effects and you can just drag and drop it here. And you can just rename this to bounce title. So the use of power bins is that it's available for all your projects. If your power bin doesn't show up here, you can click these 3 dots right here and just select show power bins. And whatever you drag it there, it will be available for all your projects. So if you have another project, suppose, you can just drag and drop this title here and you can, change whatever you want. So suppose if I type something like filmmaking and if I hit play, as you can see, all those effects are already applied. Now I hope this video was helpful to you. For those who don't know, I'm Fenzer. I do travel tech and filmmaking on this channel. So if you're into that sort of stuff, please consider hitting the subscribe button. So that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you all as always in the next one.